beautiful day here in Austria.
Best girl for the Sail Metal Battle 2020 is
1, 2, 3, 4. Chasing dreams since 17. Say goodbye to everything in my rearview mirror, but I never thought it would lead me here.
Hello everyone, what is going on? If you are new here, my name is Jenise Spiteri and I am a snowboarder on a quest around the world to qualify for the 2022 Winter Olympics.
China.
And today I have just arrived in Hintertux Austria for my first day of snowboarding out here. I'm going to be here for like 2 weeks. And if this sounds like a fun journey that you'd like to join me on, walk your little fingers down onto that subscribe button, click it real quick for me, and we will get started on this adventure. At the moment, I am fairly confused because I have never been here before. I don't speak German and I don't really know where I'm supposed to be or what's going on. The first little gondola is right there. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to take that to get up the mountain. Beyond that, I have no idea what is happening, but I see someone down there that is going to help me not be lost. Look, it is, oh my God, Kevin. What? So yeah, I'm gonna link up with him. He's never been here either, so together we will figure out what we are doing. All right, Kevin and I just found our ticket window to get our little tickets. I got my pass for Jenise Spiteri. Hintertux hooked us up for this opening weekend, which is super cool, but we had to pay €2 for the card itself, and I have no euros, so Kevin is sponsoring my snowboarding for the day, hooking me up big time with those €2. I'd be out here just stranded at the bottom of the hill without him. I was like, which pocket's it in? Like, I think I just need to wiggle and find out. All right, first gondola down. Now I think we take another gondola higher up, maybe? Not quite sure. I think we still have to go higher. Do you feel the rain?
It's raining.
It's raining.
Lots of green grass. Looks like we're going golf.
Maybe it'll be snow higher up. That would be cool. There's definitely fresh snow like down here. That's just from this past week. Maybe we have more snow coming and we'll have a powder day in October. Yeah. How are you feeling about this wind, Kevin?
I don't like it. I don't know. It's too windy.
Are you ready for winter day one?
No.
To be honest, this isn't what I expected. I almost didn't even bring a jacket on this trip. I thought I was gonna get away with just like a sweatshirt and shorts. Very glad I have a jacket now, I'll say that. All right, apparently we've got one more gondola up. That one is really disappearing into the weather. Very curious to see what it's like up there. It is actually snowing here. I do see snowflakes now. So that's exciting. So before heading up on this third gondola, we decided to come inside and make a plan. And now we are looking at this TV with the conditions up there.
The gondola stopped.
But, you know, we're still going to go out there eventually. Just, you know, figuring it out right now.
11 minutes later.
All right, what do you say, you guys? Kevin, parents.
I waited till noontime.
It's like when there's a really cold pool, you have to just jump in. I think we're just gonna have to jump in and do it.
Let's go.
Alright, so we're going up the third gondola right now, and this is the view.
You want to take the photo or?
Oh, yeah. You want, it's just a video right now.
Okay.
But I think it stopped right now.
Oh, it's
actually.
perfect.
We stopped from the wind, so this is scary. We might be trapped here. Are you guys?
Can we follow you guys down?
Where are you from? You're
Val d'Isère.
France?
Yeah.
We're gonna be stuck here with the French ski racers here in this gondola. We're gonna be trapped for hours, I think.
Help!
Help!
Can you ride this chairlift down if you don't want to ski down?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Phew.
Kevin, are you having second thoughts about this weather?
Yeah.
All right, me and Kevin are at the top of the mountain now. And we were just talking about how we were both on new boards for the first time in a new country on a new mountain, and we cannot see anything.
It's a total whiteout. The wind is blowing. And yeah, we don't know what's down here. Is it ice? Is it rocks? Is it should
I
it be a
don't
double
even know
black?
where to go, yeah. And I feel like in Europe, they also don't really like mark the trails as specifically as they do in the US. So we don't really know where to go.
We're gonna do our first run of the season here in Hintertux. It's a complete whiteout. It's windy. Jenise, I'm gonna follow you.
You're not too bad. Oh, you can't see anything either. It's gotten so wet. Wow. This is insane. I literally have no idea what's going. We're gonna work on survival. Oh yeah, we might end up in different countries. I'm not quite sure. Adventure!
The sky is gray, it's looking over me. Are you listening? A few words come out, my hands still shake. Are you listening to the sounds? She hears the sound, it goes up, comes down, and falls upon her. She hears the sound, it goes up, comes down, and falls upon her. The silver air is everywhere. Are you listening? The ground still shakes.
Alright, it is pretty brutal out here. We are going in. We did not even find the park on that run.
Couldn't see my snowboard.
I want to do one more run just to try to find the park. Kevin is shaking his head about even doing one run. It was so gnarly. Because we're here. I was gonna do a rail jam today and they don't even know if the rail jam is gonna happen because of this weather. So we're just gonna hang out here in the lodge with my parents until we figure out what's going on.
1 hour later!
Alright, this weather is not getting any better. It is very rough out here, so we're not doing a second run. We are just gonna head down and check out the town of Tux, or Tux. Do you know how it is? Tux? Tux, we're gonna go to Tux, just get some lunch because, whew, it's brutal up here today.
The next day,
Another beautiful day here in Austria. Woo! Oh god. Woo! It's a little icy out here. Day 3 in Austria. We didn't come up yesterday because the weather today is not any better, but it looks like the rail jam is going to happen. Well, yeah, I'm gonna hike up there and see how hitting a rail is on this new board in this weather. Game time.
Alright, Jenise is dropping in.
Either do a 50-50, 180,
Yeah.
or go to the front board.
Je suis une cigarette, on va tellement bien ensemble, mais ça dure pas très longtemps. Je respire ta fumée, je suis en train de brûler. J'ai envie de t'allumer, et voilà on disparaît. C'est dommage, c'est la vie.
Oh my gosh, I'm out of breath already. It's hard to hike too because this is like very loose snow.
Oh,
It'd be easier if it was hard packed.
so many excuses.
There's an outlet down now. Get on that key trail.
I'm a match and you're a cigarette. We're a match in hell, but it's okay. You start where I am
All right, 2 hours of hiking in this crazy weather down. Contest is over. My legs feel like they're on fire. It's a very weird combination when your face is frozen. I can't feel my lips, but my legs are on fire from hiking. Whew. That was definitely a body shock for like first real day of riding in a while to like be hiking, first day on a new board, hiking these rails in this weather. I didn't get all of the tricks I wanted. There's definitely a few in my head that I just like didn't land, but I feel like I got a couple. So we're gonna go inside, they're about to do the prizes, and we'll see how it goes.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for coming through. Biggest shout out to all the riders. You guys absolutely killed it today. You guys did an insane, amazing job, all of you. Thank you for that. We really appreciate that a lot. You guys killed it. I'm gonna start things off with Best Girl. She really killed it. Such a sick riding all day long. So, Best Girl for the Sail Metal Battle 2020 is Jenise Spiteri! Make some noise, everybody! Woo! Make some noise for the Best Girl Sail Metal Battle 16 parts on opening 2020, ladies and gentlemen! First line. We had just like an insane display. Could you please come up for a picture? Thank you guys so much.
I'm so hyped. All right, guys, I did it. I'm so hyped. Came out with the W, that Best Girl. I am so stoked. This was my first rail jam in like a couple years, and this was the first day on that disruptor board, new board, first day out here, and I won. I'm so hyped. I also got my trick cash. I ended up getting 40 euros just for different tricks. Every time someone landed a cool trick when you hiked back up, this dude was just handing out 5 euros at a time. So I managed to get 40 euros, and then I also won in this little envelope 150 euros. So I'm living. Kevin had a good lunch on me. I hooked him up for being my filmer and support man for the day. Now my whole body is incredibly sore because I have not had to move this much in a while. I've been hitting it hard at the gym the last couple weeks, but there's something different of being at a gym versus like hiking through a blizzard in the snow with your snowboard for 2.5 hours. It's a little more real. It hits ya. I did it. I survived.
Jenise, congrats, like you made it happen. You're out there hiking it, getting the tricks. going for it through the blizzard, the cold. First day of snow, there's ice, wind,
That was very gnarly.
and you won. Just pulled it off. That was amazing.
And I met some really cool girls up there too. The other girls who were in the contest were all like really nice and friendly, and it's a good start. We still haven't had a good day of weather out here, but starting off on a high note, and I think this is a good omen for the rest of the trip. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you had fun and enjoyed being warm during that contest while I froze. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! Life isn't perfect. It's messy and unexpected, but it's wonderful. You can find love, magic, and beauty all around you if you chase after it. So find what lights your soul up, then go out and carpe your happy.